Welcome to Calligraphy. In today's video, I will show you 5 stylish signature ideas with the letter C. Each design will use real names starting with C, so you can easily adapt these styles for your own signature. First, let's design the signature of Carolina from Spain. Here I will use the artistic letter C and Lina in where letter A will finish by forming an upper loop and a triangle in the bottom with horizontal line. Now let's design the signature of Christiana from UK. Here I will use letter C with just 2 straight lines and Ristina in the loop of the letter with a geometric style. Now let's design the signature of Chedric from France. Here I will use letter C with a semicircle style, 2/3 of a circle. Then Edric in the inner part of the circle finished with a triangular shape. Now let's design the signature of Chandra from Nepal. Here I will use the letter C in semicircular style, Handra in 45-degree angle with compressed style with a underline. Now let's design the signature of Chameli from India. Here I will use the full name in italic letter style in a compressed way, then finished with an infinity sign and a love symbol. So we created 5 different signature styles today with the letter C: Carolina, Christiana, Chedric, Chandra and Chameli. If you enjoyed these designs, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Next, I will create signature styles with the letter D, so stay tuned. You can also check my full A to Z signature playlist for more names. Thank you very much.